The top 5 sneakers everyone needs to buy now before it's too late. These are the top 5 sneakers I believe everyone needs to buy right now before it's too late, because these sneakers are fire, straight fire. These are sneakers that are going to go up in price. Some of these will be sneakers that are great personal sneakers. These are just 5 sneakers I believe in. Free Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Cool Gray Jordan 11s. This giveaway ends in a few days at the end of December. Good luck. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And if you're watching this video after the giveaway is over, make sure you guys subscribe anyway, because trust me, we got a bunch of sneaker giveaways coming. If you guys can get this video up to 500 likes, I'm gonna announce a brand new sneaker giveaway next week. Starting off with number 5, we have an Air Jordan 1, the Starfish Air Jordan 1 Low. This right here is, first of all, a great personal sneaker because of the orange. If you don't have the shattered backboard, the 1.0s, the 2.0s, the 3.0s, or any orange Air Jordan 1, you definitely should pick up the Starfish Lows because they're affordable at around that $200 price point. For now, because these will skyrocket. This is a great investment as well. Do not sleep on this sneaker. Trust me, these are going up in price. These will be a $350, $400 Air Jordan 1 Low. All leather upper, white, and that beautiful orange, and they do have Nike Air on the tongue, Wings logo on the back. This is the OG Air Jordan 1 style. So make sure you guys pick up a pair of Starfish Jordan 1 Lows for the personal, and then if you have money and capital, make sure you invest, because this right here is a great sneaker investment. Number 4 on my list happens to be one of my favorites on this list personally, and it is a Air Jordan 4. The Jordan 4 Lightning. The Lightning 4s have actually gone up a little bit in price already, and in my opinion, they will continue to go up in price. The bigger sizes is where it's at when it comes to the Lightning 4s. They finally brought these back out from 2006 all the way to 2021. This was a highly anticipated Air Jordan 4 for a lot of people, myself included, and a lot of collectors out there really wanted the Lightning 4s retroed, and hey, we got them back in 2021. This is a loud sneaker, so I would say wear an all black fit, all nice gray fit, and you let the sneaker do the talking. This is a solid investment as well, as I believe these will hit $400, $450. Right now, you can buy them for roughly $300, $280 to $300. Not too bad on the resale market when retail is $225 on them. I'm very, very happy to have the Lightning 4s in my sneaker collection. This right here is a sneaker. Trust me, guys, do not sleep on the Lightning 4s. If you like them, make sure you go cop a personal Lightning 4s. One of the best releases, in my opinion, of this entire year. Number 3, we have a pair of Yeezy 350s. They actually brought these back, which is crazy to me. All these years later, we got the Belugas back. The Beluga is back in a reflective 3M upper. We originally saw the Belugas released back in 2016. This is the OG, the very first Adidas Yeezy 350 V2. Adidas brought back the sneaker here in 2021 with a reflective 3M upper, and resale plummeted on both the OG and on this new reflective version. I would say about $100 over retail, which is not too bad at all for the OG 350 V2. Adidas has overdone it, if you ask me, with the 350 V2. So many colorways that all look the same. A lot of them look very similar, but the Belugas stand out amongst them all as honestly one of the best. Looking back on it, this is one of the best 350 V2s. This is definitely a clean, wearable sneaker. All gray, that orange just pops. And hey, if you don't own a 350 V2, this is the one I think to get. I don't know if they'll really go up in price because, you know, no Yeezy is safe nowadays. This shows that. However, it's just a clean 350 V2, a great personal, and just a really dope 350 V2, Adidas Yeezy, to add to your sneaker collection. And resale plummeted, which means they're more affordable. More people can get their hands on this sneaker now compared to, you know, last year, the year before, and previous years, especially when they released back in 2016. If you guys wear your sneakers and want to keep them clean, you guys need Drip Grip for the bottom. They'll help keep the sneakers clean, and when you peel it off, they'll look brand new on the bottoms. Keep that resale value high, and keep your sneakers, more importantly, in great condition. Link down below in the description. Check out Drip Grip. It's very affordable, and you guys can use my discount code Danny10 to save 10% off your order. Thank you, Drip Grip, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. For number 2 on my list, we actually have another pair of Adidas Yeezy 350s. This pair I have not shown you guys on the channel. And a newly released all black, mostly black Yeezy 350 V2, the MX Rock. All black Yeezy 350 V2s shoes, for the most part, do well. As far as personal, you really can't go wrong with this sneaker. Black with a little bit of gray, silver, and copper going on. I think the MX Rock is a great personal. If you don't own a pair of Yeezys, or if you don't own a pair of all black Yeezys, I think this is the go-to right now because they are the most affordable. At resale being like $260, $270, it's not too bad at all. If you take a look at any other black Yeezy, the Bread 350 V2, the black static, non-reflective, and reflective 350 V2. They're expensive, and this sneaker right here is not too badly priced right now at under $300. I think it's a very wearable sneaker, and a sneaker that will go up in price as well. I could see them going to like $350, maybe even $400, so it's not too bad of an investment as well. I think it'll definitely take some time, but this is more of a personal, if you ask me. If you need an all-black Yeezy, this right here is the go-to. It's a really nice, refreshing black Yeezy 350 V2 at the end of the day. 350 V2 is very comfortable, a very go-to Yeezy for a lot of people. And hey, I'm not mad at the MX Rock colorway. This right here has to be one of the best 350 V2s to release this entire year. Of course, I think the Beluga Reflectives are probably #1, but this right here is probably #2. And at #1, I could not make up my mind. I have to show you guys both the set. The A Ma Maniére Air Jordan set. The 3s, as well as the 1s. I can't choose which one I like more. I think both are great personals, great for sneaker collections, and great investments. These are going to go up in price. The 3s have already gone up in price. The 1s have dropped. They will go up in price and become more expensive, and I think possibly even surpass the 3s one day. A lot of people are calling the 3s sneaker of the year. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you agree with that. Do you think the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3 is sneaker of the year? More family, I want you guys to leave a comment down below. Let me know your sneaker of the year. For me, it is not the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3. I couldn't pick one for #1. Both must-haves, great colorways, and great materials, and both are great investments if you ask me, and both just really great for your sneaker collection. People are talking about sneaker of the year here. Nice colorway, great materials, definitely great materials, great leather, great suede, very nice high quality materials. Nike Air on the back, quilted sock liner, which is dope materials, and just execution here is very, very dope, and the details, sudden details, are just fire. Of course, they made the 1s after the 3s. The success of the 3s led into the 1s. Now the 1s, man, are crazy nice in hand. I know a lot of people are not feeling the cracked material. You do have hidden details like the A Ma Maniére signature there on the tongue. Quilted sock liner on the 1s as well. Now the 1s are about $400. The 3s have actually gone up in price. They're around $500, $550. I think everyone needs to buy both now. If you guys can afford them, do not sleep. And like I keep saying, man, just a great collaboration. And I definitely see them going up in price and just being very, very sought after in the future. If you have about $1,000 to spend, I would say these two right here are your sneaker go-tos for your personal collection that you need to buy right now before it's too late. Very, very dope A Ma Maniére Jordan collection. I love this collection from this year. Not sneaker of the year for me, like I said, but just a very, very well executed collaboration on both the Jordan 3 as well as the Jordan 1. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your top 3 sneakers you think everyone needs to buy now before it's too late. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get 500 likes on this video. If we can hit that 500 like goal, I'm gonna announce a brand new sneaker giveaway in January. Don't forget to enter in the free Cool Gray 11 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Cool Gray 11s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.